Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at the verb to have and how it is used in Austrian German. In German, have means haben, and in Austrian German people often say haum or haum. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is how to use the verb to have in Austrian German. In general, the word have means haben, or in dialect haum or haum. In written form, Standard German is used in Austria, but we focus on phrases that are mainly used in spoken form. Now let's take a look at the usage. Ich hab, I have, ich hab. Du hast, you have, du hast. Sie, es hat, he, she, it has. Sie, es hat. Wir haben, we have. Wir haben. Is habt, you have, in plural. Is habt. Sie haben, they have. Sie haben. Here are also some additional examples. Hammer or hammer. Let's have. Hammer. For instance, Anna den Kredit hammer means Anne, we've got the credit or the loan. Dies hat was. It has something special. Dies hat was. Hast du Zeit? Do you have time? Hast du Zeit? Ich hab keine Zeit. I don't have time. Ich hab keine Zeit. So much for the verb to have in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.